So this question, they give us a triangle A, B, C on a grid. And basically what they're telling us is that they're showing us the position of the triangle ABC, and they want us to draw a triangle that is flipped. So they're saying triangle ABC is flipped about the line AB. Draw the new position of the triangle. Right? So first of all, when you flip a shape, what do you think happens? If I try to flip the triangle, what do you think might happen to the shape?
It will change to a new position.
Right, it's going to turn to a new position. Now, I have a question. They say that we're going to flip it along the line AB here, right? So I'm going to draw in our line now. So let me draw it in. Right? So this is the line. We're going to flip the triangle over, right? So if I flip in the triangle over this line AB, do you think the triangle is going to form on this side of the line? So like on this side here? Do you think it will form there?
Yeah.
Right, so it will form on this side. But what is something that we need to pay attention to is that when we flip the shape, right, it's still going to be a triangle one. It will have the same size, right? So how long is this triangle and how tall is this triangle? That's what we need to figure out so that we'll be able to draw in the triangle on this side, right? So we could count these little tiny blocks and see how many of them make up the length of the triangle, right? So just a little recap on things like the dimensions of a triangle. The side that the triangle is standing on, so the side at the bottom here, which is labeled BC, I'm going to highlight that in yellow, right? This is the base of our triangle, right? It's already weighted. So this is the base of the triangle, right? And the height of the triangle is actually the line AB. Alright, so the height is this side here, AB. Alright, so I'll just write the word height inside triangle. Alright, so if I ask you how long is the base of this triangle, I want you to count these tiny little blocks and let's see how many make up the base of the triangle, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many more do you think we have here? Can you count them and see how many we get for the base of the triangle? So we got 5. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we still have some more to go because we have to go all the way until C, right? So
Till we get to 20.
very good. So when you add it all together, you get 20. So if we have to draw the base on this side of the line, how many tiny blocks should the line cover?
20.
Very good, 20. So I'm going to use the green to draw the flip shape, right? So we're going to draw a straight line spanning 20 tiny blocks. So like around there. Now the image when I had copied, this is a little slanted. So that's the reason why the line is going to be nice and straight, right? Okay, now the height of the triangle, right? And because they tell us that we're flipping the triangle along the line AB, basically flipping it along its height, right? So all we actually need to do, because the height of the triangle will be this red line here, right, from B to A, all we need to do now is connect the highest point of the triangle to the lowest point of the triangle. So we're going to draw a straight line and we're going to connect these 2 points and we will get our flipped triangle, right? So I'm going to use a straight line from here to the base there, right? So like I was saying, only because the image of the grid here is like so wobbled because of the copy, that's why this line is not nice and straight, but this is what you would draw in on your grid, right? So this would be the flip shape here. And you know, if we wanted to, we could color it up. So I'll just shade it in so we could see the difference, right? So this is where the shape has been flipped. And this is what it would look like. Alright? So I think if you saw a question like this, it's fairly simple that you'd be able to do it all on your own.
Yeah.
Alright. So that's one question down, right? We have a few more to go, so there we go.